Okay, last set of equations that I need to balance. We've got lead acetate on the left plus hydrogen sulfide is going to make lead sulfide and acetic acid. Now you will notice the hydrogen, you might be thinking that's a little weird that I'm not combining that one there, but the reason is that I don't really count that hydrogen with this one together, because this hydrogen is going to stay a part of the acetate ion the entire time. So 1, 1, 1, 1 on the right. First thing I'm going to do is put a 2 in front here because I have 2 for the acetates, so I might as well fix that. That's going to bring my acetates up to 2 here and 2 there. That's all I needed right there. That turns that one into a balanced equation, simple one. Next up, calcium hydroxide plus ammonium sulfate is going to make calcium sulfate plus ammonia plus water. Remember, for this one, I got to be a little bit careful with my counting. I got to be including the hydrogens here plus those hydrogens there. I can't keep them as separate because you'll notice at the end there, the ammonium and the hydroxides have been combined with other things, so they can't be separate anymore. So 1, 2, 2, 10, 1 on the left, 1, 1, 1, and then I've got to add together those hydrogens, and I've got 5 on the right there. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to attack the nitrogens. Because I've got 2 on the left, I might as well start somewhere. I'm going to start with there. That's going to change my total nitrogens to 2 on the right, and that's also going to affect my hydrogens. So I need to include the 2 of them here plus those there. That's going to bring it up a little bit, but I'm going to fix it by trying to take care of the oxygens. Bringing that up where that one is going to belong is going to now make sure that I have 1, 2, 2, 10, 1 on the right and 1, 2, 2, 10, 1 on the left. I am balanced the way I should be. Balanced equation panda. All right, so aluminum hydroxide plus sulfuric acid is going to make aluminum sulfate and water. So on the left, I'm going to be doing 1, 1, and then I need to figure out for my hydrogens, I need to include these plus those. I'm going to have 5 hydrogens on the left. On the right, I've got 2 aluminums, 3 sulfates, 1 oxygen, and 2 hydrogens. First thing I might as well start by doing is, since I have 2 aluminums on the right, might as well put 2 on the left right there. That's also going to affect my number of oxygens and my number of hydrogens. Next thing I'm going to do is I got to take care of the fact that I have 1 sulfate on the left and 3 of them on the right. So by putting that coefficient there, that's going to fix my sulfates, and we're going to check and see how that has affected all the rest of them. Hydrogens, getting a little bit crowded there, but I've bumped up to 12 because you have to include the fact that I have these hydrogens plus those hydrogens. Now to get to that 12 hydrogens like I have on the right, got to put a 6 in front right there. That's going to get my oxygens where it needs to be and the hydrogens as well. So 2, 6, 12, 3, 2, 6, 12, 3, balanced equation panda. All right, we've got aluminum sulfate plus calcium hydroxide is going to make aluminum hydroxide and calcium sulfate. In this case right here, the sulfates can be on their own. Those aren't going to get combined because those stay polyatomic the entire time. First thing I'm going to do is attack the fact that I have 2 hydroxides here, 3 of them there. I have to find the lowest common multiple. So that's going to be 3 in front here and a 2 over there. So when I put those coefficients in front, let's see how that balances everything out. First off, it has fixed the hydroxide problem, but I'm now up to 3 calciums there, and I have 2 aluminums over there. So I'm going to need to fix that to get to my 3 calciums there. I'm going to have to put that for the coefficient there. That's going to also change my sulfates, and I am now fully balanced. 2, 3, 3, 6 on the left, 2, 3, 3, 6 on the right. All right, last one. Aluminum carbide plus water is going to make methane and aluminum hydroxide. 4, 3, 2, 1 on the left, 1, 1, and then you need to factor in the fact that I have hydrogens in both the methane and the hydroxide right there. 7 on the right, and then 3. First thing I'm going to do is I have 4 aluminums on the left. I might as well start by putting 4 right there. I'm going to put 3 for the carbon as well because I got 3 carbons on the right. Might as well get that there. Put both of them in there and see how that shakes out. So the fact that I'm adding together 12 hydrogens here plus 12 hydrogens there is going to give me 24 on the right, quite a bit. Number of oxygens, that's going to be 12, because remember you have to be oxygen times 3 times 4. So I got quite a bit to make up over there. First thing though I'm going to do is I'm going to fix the hydrogens, put a 12 in front because I got to get to my 24 over there. That's going to take care of my hydrogens and my oxygens together. 4, 3, 24, and 12, left and right, balanced equation.